Okay, so it is almost midnight. Well, it is midnight by this time. I have to walk home. Cops patrolling, all that fun stuff. There are snow mountains. I'll show you. Like, taller than I am. I'm 5'9". Culver's is closed. Twinkie's telling me to go to bed. And the blizzard is over. It's still windy, but it's not as bad. Definitely. And people think I'm crazy. That's how this world goes. It is cold out though. And weather says as of next Tuesday, so a week from, well, tomorrow at this point because it's Monday, it'll be 60. Hard to believe, but that's weather in Wisconsin. Look at it. Look at all the snow mountains. I don't mind walking home. That's not an issue. My issue is the semi trucks. They kind of creep me out a bit, but it's okay. Definitely okay. My lips look like they're blue. They're not, I promise. Oops, sorry. Work was interesting. I met a lady from up north who, listen, I know you mean well, and I heard your story out, and I get it, y'all having some rough times. But to be 100% honest, I've gone through a similar situation where I loved them more than I loved myself, and until you can take time out and focus on you and what you want, stuff like that, leave him. There's a reason he's checking out other girls. There's a reason why he threw his wedding ring at the end of the bed and told you to get out and not come back, and it's definitely not love, that's for sure. And I'm not saying you have to listen to my advice, and I'm not saying that I'm right, but I definitely wouldn't recommend staying in a marriage that happens often and frequently. That's just my opinion, but yeah. Oh look, a semi. So the towing ban should be lifted tomorrow. They're out starting plowing. We were supposed to get another 3 to 6 inches from 4 o'clock until 7 a.m. tomorrow. So, you know, we haven't yet, which is good. FJ shoveled my car out earlier today, so there's that. I'm hoping it's still pretty shoveled out. I mean, look at this. We had 23.6 inches, I believe, of snow dropped on us in the last 48 hours. So, and the snow drifts are massive. And the plow piles, I mean, look at this. It's over my head. But, yeah. So, I'm not entirely sure how much of this to be able to see or hear. Again, I sincerely apologize. I did have a video planned out that I was going to do with FJ, but, I mean, look at this. It's literally up to my waist, and everything is white. The road is all white. It's just, it's quite interesting, that's for sure. I'm kind of taking my time walking home because I know there's less. Well, that was gross. I know there's less traffic on the road, which helps me in the long run. And two, I have asthma really bad. And when it's cold like this, and even when it's really hot, like, spring and fall are the two seasons for me, because one, it doesn't affect my asthma as much, and two, I'm comfortable. Oh, I'm sorry, excuse me. But those are the two seasons that I prefer the most. Ooh, ice. Yeah. Like I said, they plowed it, which is great, but underneath this is all ice. So when it starts melting, it's going to become a giant ice rink for a few days, because yes, they plowed it, and yes, they are getting it cleaned up enough to the point where people can actually get to work and stuff like that. They did cancel school for tomorrow, but they are trying at least. I do not like that. I know for the next couple of days I'm going to be hacking up a lung because of all the cold air that I'm breathing in. It's literally just my asthma, so that's how it operates. Oh fuck. They plowed terribly. Whew. Almost died, but I survived. Revived that shit and came back. Oh god. I feel like they didn't really plow. This is just being packed down from people driving. And the reason I feel like that is because driveways are still a good 4 or 5 inches below what I'm walking on. And my car has been plowed, I guess. I mean, they shoveled it, but it's still kind of buried. Like, that's not coming out anytime soon. And my other car is definitely not coming out anytime soon. Oh boy. Yeah. About that. I'm just happy Nick kind of shuffled the path for the most part. I mean, look at this. That is my waist. And I'm home. We made it. I'm going to take all of my wet crap off, put some PJs on, and get my ass to bed. Good night.